Like a tiger. This is what I've got. A tiger. This is, I'm sure it's a Thai beer. I've been to Thailand, by the way. It's Singapore. It's a Singapore beer. Well, there you go. And that's where I found it. Was at Thailand the last time I saw this. But I'll gotta crack it open. This is done. I got a comment on my Furphy one. I did a Furphy tasting video. I got a comment on it saying that that it was not a twist. It was a twist top, and I couldn't untwist it for some reason. I couldn't crack the lid, so I just used a bottle opener, which worked perfectly okay. But it's a twist top. I didn't know. So this is a tiger. This is a tiger from Thailand. No, it's not. It's a tiger from Singapore, and it's a clear lager. It's an Asian lager. It's full-bodied as a beer, which is what they're telling me. It's 5% alcohol, and it's only a small bottle. I'll pour it so you guys can see it. The glass has been rinsed out since the last beer. There you go. That's how much you get. 330 ml, 5% alcohol. Very clear-looking beer. Very nice. I didn't know if I poured it right, but the head's not really huge. Just a bit of dog hair on there from picking up the doggies. I just realised it's all over me. Trying to be consistent with stuff. There you go. So there you go. So we're gonna give this a go. It smells malty. Smells a bit of rye flavour or smelling. I can smell in there. No fruit flavour. Very beery. Got a bit of metallic scent to it. Probably from importing. If it's been made here, I'm not sure if it's been made here or not. What have we got? Sometimes they will do the recipe here and actually not send it from over there. Doesn't say. It's made in Singapore, so it's shipped over here. It's actually a product shipped over here. So there you go. So it's a Singapore beer. Now, as you know, Asians are starting to really conquer the market with beer as well as spirits. Some of the whiskies they're making now, my God, it's good. Sweet, flowery, not bad. Very tasty, sweet. Again, it's very sweet. I'm a dry beer drinker. Sweet makes you want to drink it more. That's one thing, and it makes you a bit sick when you drink it too much. The flavour I'm getting out of it is just plain. It's just a standard, almost like a lager beer. It's nothing special. Just a standard. I don't take into account other people's opinions on beer. If I don't like it, I'll tell you I don't like it. This one, it's okay. I mean, if I was at Singapore, I'd drink it. It's a good beer. But if I'm in Australia, I won't go out my way to buy it. No real aftertaste or anything like that. I can't really taste any hops at all, but I do like hoppy beer. So the more hops that are in beer, the more you get used to it, I suppose. It's like anything. If you have strong coffee and you keep having stronger and stronger coffee, eventually strong coffee will taste weak. So a beer's very similar. You get used to it. It's an immunity that you get. Oh, look at that. I just got a super chat. Actually, I got 2 super chats. Oh my God, Choppies is chatted super. Oh my God, I don't get super chats. This is awesome. Good on you, mate. Thank you very much. Choppies gave me a $4.50 or $4.49 Australian, and Lachlan Patterson, same thing, gave me a $7.99 super chat. Absolutely awesome. Thanks, mate. Thanks, guys. Really appreciate it. This is really interesting how to do that. Awesome. So I'll read out what's going to happen. They didn't leave a comment, but it said keep it up, and the other one gave me a thumbs up. So it's really cool. Josh Pascoe. Now, why do I know that name? Happy brew day, Pierre. What you brewing today? Loving the videos, mate. Keep them up. Okay, Josh Pascoe. I know a Pascoe, but not Josh. But might be, maybe. Anyway, doesn't matter. I'm brewing a all-grain brew donated to me or supplied by Mountain Culture Beer Co. Lachlan from Mountain Culture Beer Co. kindly sent me this kit for free and asked me if I'd like to brew it. They're doing a competition and I'm not in it. They just had a leftover batch. I guess they couldn't get rid of it, didn't want to brew it themselves, and decided to see if I wanted it, and I said yes. And that's what I'm brewing today. These guys are great. Check them out. Go to Mountain Culture Beer Co. online. Check out their beers. I've done some beer tastings on their products. Absolutely beautiful. Still my favourite beer company. Put onto them by Lachlan. And I don't think I'll really want to buy anyone else's beer. It is awesome beer, mate. You guys need to try them and check them out. Cheers. All right, I'm going to sign off. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Thanks for being part of this. Appreciate all the support you guys are giving me today. Cheers, guys. See you later. Have a good one.